and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the echoing, it's a little awful in here. Alex and I leave for Europe tomorrow. Oh my goodness, you guys, I haven't even packed yet. I made the mistake last time when I went to the UK of not packing my own meals, and I was relying on the airplane to have a vegan option, and they did not have any options. I ended up eating the mushy sides that came with chicken and then gave the chicken to Alex, and then I bought some overpriced airport snacks. So today's video is hopefully going to inspire you guys to make your own meals when you go to the airport, because the airport is notorious for overpricing their food. Sometimes there's no options for your dietary restriction. Usually my only options are the cups of fruit or veggies. You think that would be the healthy option, but honestly it's come out that those are some of the worst foods for you at the airport because they sit out for a long time, so they often spray them with a ton of chemicals just to preserve them, and it's like, no thank you. So I'm gonna take matters into my own hands and go grocery shopping and pack my own food. I will show you guys how I'm going to be doing that in this video. And then we are going to go to the airport tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you guys how much money we are actually saving on these items by making our own food, especially when you are traveling overseas and you wanna see things and not be spending all of your travel money on overpriced food. So I am so excited to make my own meal. I'm also gonna show you guys the pantry items that I just got from Thrive Market because I am a Thrive Market ambassador, but I'm also freaking obsessed with it because it's organic groceries delivered straight to my door and way cheaper than the grocery store. So I'm gonna show you guys first like what I will be packing my meal on for the flight, because that's probably what a lot of you guys are wondering, like how are you gonna bring all this food on the plane? And a lot of people think that you can't even bring food on the plane, but you totally can. There's just a new regulation where you have to like lay out your food like through the security scanner like you would like your iPad or your laptop. So I decided to get this bento box to put my meals in and keep this in my carry-on. And you guys, I did so much research because there are tons of bento boxes out there. I did not know there were so many brands, and I read so many reviews. So to save yourself some time, I have linked the one that I picked out down below in case you guys are wanting to pick one up for yourself, or you're doing a road trip soon, or even just like to bring to work. So when I open the lid, it actually comes with its own little reusable utensils, which I love. And then it has this extra cover on it, which is great so that the food doesn't like go everywhere. Okay, so this is the first box, and it has this little divider right here, and you can actually just move this wherever you want depending on like what you're making. So if you want just the whole thing, you can do that, or else if you have like a small snack. And then the second box just comes like this, so it doesn't have a divider. So I'm gonna show you guys the produce items that I got, and I didn't get really any pantry items from Whole Foods because I usually get most of them from Thrive Market delivered straight to my door, so I will show you guys that next. So the first thing I got were these sugar snap peas. I love these. These were like $2.99 for the whole thing, and I'm either just gonna throw these completely in my carry-on and just like refrigerate them up until my flight, or else I'm gonna take out a few and put them like in the salad part. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, just depending on like how hungry I think I'm gonna be tomorrow. And then I got organic baby kale, and this is triple wash, so you don't have to do literally anything. Oh, I used my little produce bag that I showed you guys in my vegan grocery haul. If you guys haven't seen that, you guys can watch it above. But I got these bananas because I'm just gonna bring one banana on the flight with me tomorrow, and then I'll just keep the rest at home for my mom. So I'll just be throwing this in my carry-on. Super easy, great snack for the flight. And then I also got a lemon because no matter what dressing I make, I'm definitely gonna use lemon in there. And then I got two green juices. This one is by Evolution Fresh, and this is cold pressed organic sweet and savory greens. And I ended up getting two because there was a deal 2 for $7, which usually these juices are like $7 to $11 each, which is crazy. Obviously I didn't get this for the flight because I can't bring this through security with me, but I'm gonna be drinking one tonight and then one tomorrow just so I'm super hydrated and refreshed. So that's all the stuff that I got from Whole Foods. Again, I didn't get too much, but just mainly produce items. And then the rest of the stuff I got from Thrive Market, and actually just delivered a couple hours ago, so thank God. It's organic groceries delivered straight to your door, so obviously it's really convenient, let's be honest, especially if you're lazy and don't like to go to the grocery store. But the main reason I use it, honestly, aside from convenience, is just that I'm saving so much money. And I'll show you guys like just from this packet how much money I've saved. But we are in our 20s, we are young, we are thriving, and we need to save money wherever possible, right? They take out the middleman, so basically you're getting the same stuff that you could get at Whole Foods or other places, organic grocery stores, for like 25 to 50% cheaper. So it adds up, folks. Organic mango, and they don't have any added sugar or anything. It's just dried mango. I thought this would also be perfect to add to my little bento box. On Thrive Market, these were $7.99, I believe, but at Whole Foods I just got back from, they were $11.99 for organic dried mangoes. So definitely a lot cheaper. I also got these Go Raw Sweet Spirulina Sprouted Bites. I've never tried these before, and I love this brand, so I thought I would give these a try. The only ingredients are sprouted sesame seeds, bananas, coconut, dates, and spirulina. So these are so incredibly nutritious. They have 22 amino acids. I love that these are full of fiber, as well as kale obviously has so much fiber, which is so good for the flight because it's going to help fill you up, which is definitely what I want. I also got some kelp noodles, which I wasn't sure if I was going to be making like a kale pesto thing for my bento box, but I think I'm just gonna save these until I get back. And then the last thing I got, I'm actually so excited for this, is Artisana Organics raw cashew butter. These taste so good, and I thought this would be great to have in my bento box and just eat it with my banana. That was a super small haul. I usually get like way more things from Thrive Market, but I just needed a couple things for my flight before I left, but I was super excited that that came. If you guys haven't tried Thrive Market though, and you want to, you get a discount off your first box, and I will put my discount and link down in the description box below. If you just click that, you can get your discount, and I highly recommend trying it. I'm actually going to make my meals tomorrow just before my flight, but I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so I have the triple wash kale right here, and then I just made some mock Caesar dressing. This stuff, oh my God, you guys, like this is the best thing I've ever tasted. This literally tastes so much like Caesar dressing, and I haven't had real Caesar in so long. I'm gonna link like where I got the recipe down in the description box below because it is not my own, but it is Kate Flowers and she kills it. I'm gonna have some of this for lunch and then put the rest in my little bento box for the flight. About this merch. I might add more leaves, but we'll see. Then I'm just going to take a fork and mix this up. Okay, after mixing this up, you can see that like the leaves are like pretty well coated. I don't like too much dressing. I would rather have like a really light dressing. So I'm just gonna add a few more leaves here, but if you like your salad to be more coated with dressing, then you can just add less kale. This is my first little part of the bento box, and I just moved the slider all the way over here, and I put like my little extra snacks. So I just poured in some dry unsalted almonds, and you can get these from Thrive Market for a lot cheaper than the grocery store as well. Right here, I have those little Spirulina Crisps. These taste like little desserts. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not even trying to pretend I'm like, oh, a healthy bitch who eats little green crisps for a dessert. I don't know. They mostly just taste like bananas, but they're really, really good. Sometimes these bento boxes come with little mini tubs that you can put dressing if you want to put like olive oil or put your dressing on the side. You totally can do that. I'm just not going to do that because I'm lazy, and I'm probably going to end up eating this at the airport, let's be honest, because my flight's at 9 o'clock at night. Also, I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator until I'm ready for my flight. Okay, so this is the first half of my bento box with my little Caesar kale salad. Again, you can put the dressing on the side if you want, but I'm just gonna keep mine in the fridge until I'm ready to go. Okay, now for the starch part of my bento box, I just cut up a sweet potato. Doesn't this kind of look like cheese? I keep my skin on my sweet potatoes. You don't have to. I just like the added nutrients. Then I'm gonna add this to a bowl of chickpeas. This is honestly like half a can, not even half a can. I just had some open in the fridge that I need to use up. Added the sweet potato and just a really, really tiny, tiny, tiny amount of olive oil just so that our spices will stick and they will roast really nicely. And then I'm gonna add in a little bit of paprika, ground cumin, and some garlic powder as well. Toss this with my hands. The cumin smells so good. Okay, so I just laid out the mixture on a lined baking sheet, and I'm gonna throw this in the oven at 425 for about a half hour. Found the water. Enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. If you guys want more vegan videos or recipes, definitely let me know that in the comments below because I would absolutely love to do that for you guys. If you haven't seen all my vegan videos, you guys can click all these videos right here to check them out, and I will also list some of my vegan videos down in the description box below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you in my next one.